Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android, and if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. So I'm on my iPhone right here. I'm going to go down to the App Store. It's this blue button in the middle of my home screen. Open up the App Store. It brings you to the Today page, and then in the bottom right there's the search page. Click that. And at the top, start typing in Monopoly Go. And then once you've typed that in, press the search button, the blue search button on the bottom right. And that's going to bring up a bunch of different listings for you. So I always just skip past the first advertisement anyway, even if it is the correct listing. But I always go to the first organic listing, Monopoly Go right here, 263,000 5-star reviews. So you've got a button on the right that says Get. That just means that you've never downloaded Monopoly Go on your App Store account in the past. So you want to press the Get button, and then it's going to ask, in my case, it's going to ask me to confirm it with Face ID in a little second. And you can do that by double clicking the button on the right hand side of your device. Once Face ID has been approved, it will start downloading, and you can see the download progress by the sort of blue ring that's going around the circle. I'm going to come back once this has fully downloaded. So guys, now that Monopoly Go has fully downloaded, the App Store gives us the option to actually open the app from within the App Store. So you can press the open button, that's going to launch and run the Monopoly Go app, and then from there, basically press Monopoly Go would like to send you notifications, don't allow, and that's going to load Monopoly Go on your device so that you can start playing. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks.